when you think about DevSecOps and when you read about it, it all seems really simple to do, but it's not. And I don't know, I asked somebody, are we doing DevSecOps? Because we talk about it so much, sometimes I lose sight of what it is. And so you're talking about what's the process? Are we in a waterfall process, the way things are moving forward, or are we in that agile, continuous integration, continuous delivery model? And or do we just keep doing waterfall faster and faster and faster until it feels like we're agile? And so we have this debate internally: are we really agile and doing CI/CD, or are we just doing waterfall really fast? But regardless of which way, I do think we're moving more toward that CI/CD. The security function has to have, you've got to have your process and your technology so baked in that it's just part of the fabric, and people don't think about it. If they're thinking about, oh, I got this gate here, I've got the security gate to go through, you just need to make the gates into the road that people are already on, or better yet, we kind of consider them the guardrails for the road, and so we help establish the guardrails for whatever gets put into new web app environment, into our public cloud environment, and then those guardrails are there, and we work together to do good configuration compliance, make sure that we're leveraging automation to assure that the configuration is being implemented the same all the time. And what I've noticed is our development team is much more fluid, where we used to be, every release of new code, there was a kind of a big announcement, hey, there's a new release coming out, where now there's no big news anymore. I just see an email notice, hey, app got updated, boom, and so it's and I think that's when you are in a DevSecOps, continuous integration, continuous delivery, where you're so good at change management and all the things in that, which include, are we doing code testing? Are we managing vulnerabilities? I think when you're doing that well, then you've moved into that